Okay, so I have this little lithium polymer battery voltage tester. So I'm going to check each cell's voltage using this, because we have just unboxed these batteries. Let's test each cell's voltage using this. So let's do it. Let's negative. For C, first 15.3 volt. First cell is 3.83, second cell is 3.84, third cell is 3.85, and fourth cell is 3.86. Okay, so this is how it shows the battery. Every cell looks in pretty nice condition. So yeah, they have sent a genuine Infinity 4S battery. So I'm happy with this product. Let's test the second battery using this battery tester. This is a nice little guy to have. Even you can, after one or two flights of quadcopter, you can check the each cell's voltage using this. So I will suggest to buy this. I'll put a purchase link in the description. I just bought it from Banggood for a couple of dollars, and this is quite famous among the RC groups. So let's test this each cell of this battery's voltage. Keep in mind, if you are testing this, there is this negative sign is there. So here you have to connect the negative, this black wire. For cell 15.4 volt total voltage. First cell's voltage is 3.84, second cell's voltage is 3.84, third cell's voltage is 3.85, fourth cell voltage is 3.86. So that's all for it. So every cell of each battery is in pretty nice condition. This is what I will say, because we just tested it. I'll be doing a brief video as how to charge these batteries using lithium polymer balanced charger, because this is what recommended on the battery. I have bought one, so I'll be doing one video. This will go into 4S connector. This they have positive negative sockets where we can actually connect this, so the balance charger will monitor total voltage of the battery. So as of now, each battery is around 15.4 volt, so the battery is in good condition. So thank you guys, that's all for today. We'll see you next time.